Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I created my most recent painting for Krept, and I'm also going to be giving you guys a little bit of an insight into how this painting came around, how I managed to create it in under a week. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. For those of you who are new here, my name is Emily Peace and I'm a professional full-time artist. I've been doing this now for about 3 years and it was one of the best decisions I made starting my art career. For those of you who aren't familiar with me, I will tell you a bit about myself. I grew up in a family full of artists, my granddad being the main artist, and I spent all of my childhood watching him paint in his studio. On the odd occasion, he would hand me the paintbrush and let me paint some of the sky, which is such an amazing memory to have. He is still painting at nearly 80, which really just blows my mind. I will attach a link below for you guys to see his work, and if you'd like to know more about my story and how I become an artist, comment down below and I'd love to make a video for you guys. Let's talk about this painting. Since releasing this painting, the response has been insane. It's made me so happy to see it on pages that I never imagined my artwork could reach. My journey started by painting animals, and slowly over time I discovered that painting portraits was an area that I really enjoyed. So fast forward a year or so on, I released my children's page, which I will link down below for those who are interested. This page is an additional page to my EP art page. Nala, the little girl in this painting, was always popping up on my Instagram, and I always thought how amazing it would be to paint her. She has such a unique, beautiful smile. Then I had an inquiry from a lovely lady, Chloe. She asked if I could paint a portrait with an extremely fast 6-day turnaround of Nala, her dad Krept, and 2 very special family members who have sadly passed. There wasn't any photos of all 4 of them together, so we took 4 individual photos and merged them to create this painting. I've included a short video of Krept's reaction at the end of this video, so I hope you guys enjoy. you've made it to the end of this video, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. For anyone who is interested in a custom painting, I will link my website down below where you can contact me and find out about my artwork. Thank you guys so much, and see you in the next video.
That's cold. That is cold.
Oh, that's long.
That is beautiful.
Smashed it.
Aye, aye. Well done.